Lavender. The very word evokes a sense of tranquility and peace. This beautiful purple flower with its intoxicating aroma has captivated hearts and minds for centuries. From ancient civilizations to modern medicine, lavender has been revered for its remarkable healing properties. Today, lavender is experiencing a resurgence in popularity as people seek natural remedies to enhance their well-being. More and more individuals are turning to this gentle yet powerful herb to alleviate stress, improve sleep, and promote overall health. Lavender's popularity is no surprise. Its soothing scent and gentle touch offer a welcome respite from the stresses of modern life. Whether you're seeking relaxation, pain relief, or simply a touch of serenity, lavender's healing power is undeniable. Join us as we delve into the world of lavender, uncovering its rich history, exploring its incredible health benefits, and discovering how you can incorporate this natural wonder into your daily life. Lavender's journey through time is a testament to its enduring power. For over 2,500 years, this remarkable herb has been prized for its medicinal and therapeutic properties. Its story is interwoven with ancient civilizations, royal courts, and traditional healing practices. The name lavender itself speaks to its historical use. Derived from the Latin word lavar, meaning to wash, lavender was a staple in ancient Roman baths, prized for its cleansing and purifying properties. The Romans also used lavender to scent their clothes, linens, and even their hair. In ancient Egypt, lavender held a sacred place in religious ceremonies and was used in the mummification process. Its intoxicating aroma was believed to ward off evil spirits and ease the transition to the afterlife. During the Black Death in Europe, lavender was believed to offer protection from the plague. People would carry lavender pouches or burn lavender oil to purify the air and ward off infection. Lavender's rich history is a testament to its enduring power as a natural healer. From ancient civilizations to modern times, lavender continues to captivate our senses and enhance our well-being. In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety have become all too common. We are constantly bombarded with stimuli, deadlines, and pressures that can leave us feeling overwhelmed and on edge. Fortunately, nature offers a gentle solution in the form of lavender. Lavender's calming effects on the mind and body have been recognized for centuries. Its soothing aroma has a direct impact on our nervous system, helping to reduce feelings of stress, anxiety, and even mild depression. Studies have shown that inhaling lavender essential oil can lower levels of the stress hormone cortisol. This, in turn, helps to create a sense of calm and relaxation, allowing us to better cope with the challenges of daily life. Lavender's anxiolytic effects are not limited to aromatherapy. Research suggests that taking lavender orally, in the form of capsules or tea, can also provide relief from anxiety. This makes lavender a versatile and accessible natural remedy for managing stress and promoting emotional well-being. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed by work, struggling to cope with life's demands, or simply need a moment of peace, lavender can help you find your center and navigate the storms of life with grace and ease. A good night's sleep is essential for our physical and mental health. Unfortunately, many of us struggle to get the restful sleep we need. Insomnia, stress, and anxiety can all interfere with our ability to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Lavender, with its calming and sedative properties, offers a natural and effective solution for improving sleep quality. Its gentle aroma helps to create a relaxing bedtime routine, signaling to our bodies that it's time to unwind and prepare for sleep. Studies have shown that inhaling lavender essential oil before bed can improve sleep quality, increase sleep duration, and reduce the time it takes to fall asleep. Lavender achieves these effects by interacting with our nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. Lavender can also be used topically to promote sleep. Adding a few drops of lavender essential oil to a warm bath or applying a lavender-infused lotion before bed can create a calming and sleep-inducing environment. If you're looking for a natural way to improve your sleep, lavender is an excellent option. Its gentle touch and soothing aroma can help you drift off to sleep with ease and wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Section 5. Boosting brain power. Lavender's cognitive benefits. Lavender's benefits extend beyond relaxation and sleep enhancement. Emerging research suggests that this remarkable herb may also have cognitive-enhancing properties, boosting brain power and improving memory. Studies have shown that inhaling lavender essential oil can enhance alertness, improve memory recall, and even enhance cognitive function in individuals with mild cognitive impairment. These effects are believed to be linked to lavender's ability to increase blood flow to the brain and stimulate brain activity. Lavender's antioxidant properties may also play a role in its cognitive benefits. Antioxidants help protect our brains from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to cognitive decline. While more research is needed to fully understand lavender's impact on cognitive function, the existing evidence suggests that this versatile herb may hold promise for supporting brain health and enhancing cognitive performance. Section 6. Lavender for pain relief. A soothing touch for aches and discomfort. Pain, whether acute or chronic, can significantly impact our quality of life. From headaches and muscle soreness to arthritis and nerve pain, finding effective and natural pain relief is a priority for many. Lavender, with its analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties, offers a gentle yet powerful solution for managing pain. Lavender's pain-relieving effects are attributed to its ability to interact with our body's endocannabinoid system, which plays a role in regulating pain perception. Lavender essential oil, when applied topically, can help to reduce pain and inflammation associated with conditions like headaches, muscle pain, and joint pain. Studies have shown that applying lavender essential oil to the temples can help to relieve tension headaches, while massaging sore muscles with a lavender-infused oil can reduce pain and inflammation. Lavender has also been found to be effective in reducing pain and improving mobility in people with arthritis. If you're seeking a natural and effective way to manage pain, lavender is an excellent option. Its soothing touch and therapeutic properties can provide relief from a variety of ailments, helping you reclaim your comfort and mobility. Section 7. Lavender and the immune system, strengthening your body's defenses. A strong immune system is our first line of defense against illness and disease. In today's world, where we are constantly exposed to germs, pollutants, and other environmental stressors, supporting our immune health is more important than ever. Lavender, with its antimicrobial and antiviral properties, can help strengthen our body's natural defenses. Lavender essential oil has been shown to exhibit potent antimicrobial activity against a wide range of bacteria and fungi. This makes it an effective natural remedy for fighting off infections and boosting our immune system. Lavender's antiviral properties have also been documented. Studies suggest that lavender essential oil may help to inhibit the replication of certain viruses, including those responsible for the common cold and flu. Incorporating lavender into your daily routine, whether through aromatherapy, topical application, or oral consumption, can help to support your immune system and reduce your risk of illness. Section 8. Incorporating lavender into your daily routine. Tips and techniques. Integrating lavender into your daily life is easier than you might think. This versatile herb can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, allowing you to experience its calming and therapeutic benefits throughout your day. One of the simplest and most effective ways to enjoy lavender's benefits is through aromatherapy. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil to a diffuser and enjoy its calming aroma in your home or office. You can also add a few drops of lavender oil to a tissue or cotton ball and inhale deeply. Lavender essential oil can be applied topically to the skin. For relaxation and sleep support, add a few drops of lavender oil to a warm bath or dilute it with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil or almond oil, and massage it into your skin. Enjoy a soothing cup of lavender tea before bed to promote relaxation and sleep. Steep a teaspoon of dried lavender flowers in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. Lavender capsules are a convenient way to take lavender orally. Look for high-quality capsules that contain pure lavender oil or extract. Lavender can also be used in cooking, adding a unique floral flavor to dishes. Lavender pairs well with sweet treats like cookies, cakes, and ice cream, as well as savory dishes like roasted vegetables and grilled meats. Experiment with different ways to incorporate lavender into your daily routine and discover the methods that work best for you. Section 9. Embrace the power of lavender, a natural path to wellness. In a world often dominated by synthetic solutions, lavender stands out as a testament to the power of nature. This remarkable herb, with its calming aroma, gentle touch, and myriad health benefits, offers a natural path to wellness for both the body and mind. Whether you're seeking relief from stress and anxiety, a more restful night's sleep, or simply a touch of serenity in your daily life, lavender has something to offer. Its versatility, safety, and effectiveness make it an ideal choice for those seeking natural remedies to enhance their well-being. Embrace the power of lavender and discover the transformative effects it can have on your life. From promoting relaxation and improving sleep to boosting brain power and strengthening your immune system, lavender is a natural gift that can help you live a healthier, happier, and more balanced life. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you're interested in trying a high-quality lavender supplement, check out the link in the comments below the video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps this channel grow and allows me to bring you more valuable content about natural health and healing supplements. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.